SR-3S, the 3-shaft type semi-automatic rewinding machine. It's suitable for rewind aluminum foil, PE, PVC cling film and stretch film. The stable heavy-duty framework makes it affordable for finished paper cores ID up to 25 to 75 millimeters. And the mother roll available width is from 200 to 500 millimeters. Automatic tension control. The SR-3S rewinder automatically controls the tension at any time according to the data of the parent roll. It controls the break strength precisely. Users can look over values of break output and the weight of a single roll anytime. This model is equipped with the parent roll lifting function, which can easily replace the new parent roll when loading and unloading the parent roll. This system not only creates a safer working environment for your staff but allows for the efficient introduction of raw materials into the manufacturing process. With automatic rewinding, cutting, unloading and shaft changing functions, the user only needs to manually load and unload the material to complete the operation. Glue spraying function can also be added. The product will be automatically sprayed before rewinding and when rewinding is completed, making the rewinding process faster and safer. The fixed feeding function can be selected, and the material will be automatically fed for a short period after cutting, which is convenient for users to paste the raw materials on the paper tube.
Welcome to consult machine with us. We will at your service.